the game, Aaron Fuller. Coach, I'll start with you. Impressive debut for your rookies and the guys that really well on both ends of the floor. What was the main focus for this game and how did you guys maintain your energy?
Our focus was really just to be able to play our game. Fast-paced game, wanted the guys to feel good about taking the shots when they're open, moving the ball. Not sure how many assists we have, but in the first half, I think we already had 19 assists. So I'm very happy with the way we shared the ball. Saya din ako dun sa performance ng mga rookies namin. Galen played well, Felix played well. For the short time that Luis played, he played well, although he's still not 100% obviously, but we just wanted to give him the feel of the game. We just wanted him to be able to acclimatize. Isang taon siyang hindi naglalaro, kaya I think these opportunities will help him gain his confidence back and also get back to his usual game. So I'm very familiar with the way Aaron plays. So one reason we got him here is we know he's hard worker of the board, high percentage around the basket, works hard on his defense. High energy guy, so at least in our first game, everything seems to fall in place. Medyo, I was a little worried kanina kay Kaylan. Kaylan called in sick this morning. I think he had a fever. Medyo may lagnat siya, tapos tatay yata siya yung parang, well, sorry. Kanina, so worried ako baka hindi siya makalaro. Pero nakalaro siya. Pasensya na yung mga kumakain.
Aaron, thank you, Coach. Aaron, great performance. How did it feel playing again under Coach Yao, and your thoughts overall around the game?
I felt good to be back out there. We had a long preseason. We really wanted to come in and, like Coach said, play our game, start off on the right foot, and I felt like we really got out of transition. He brought me in to really be an inside presence, and I felt like I was able to contribute in that way and really complement the pieces that we already have. So it's a great first step, and we got to just keep it going.
We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Congratulations. Napakit mo naman sa Kailan. At also, Coach, si Benny is also played well. Gusto ko lang a good start for your first round draft games.
Yeah, dito pag-gamble and Felix, we're very happy with the way we see him play in practice. We did not know a lot about him before he applied to draft, but we saw him a couple of times in practice and we said we could take a gamble with him in our first round, picking him in the first round. No regrets. Kaylan, we know Kaylan how he plays. The only apprehension about Kaylan's game is that he was not playing for the last 2 years. He retired after, so he's just coming off retirement. Maybe that's one reason he fell in the draft. But we took a chance on him and it's paying off really well. As I said, Luis is getting better every day. He's going to complement us with his outside shooting. He's a very high IQ player. Also, he's got the size to help us out in the middle. So, it's going really well for us. I told the guys is a new format. Bago yung format natin, to be safe, we need, I think, at least 6 weeks to be safe. We're playing 10 games. So the sooner we get to the 6 weeks, the better it is for us. We have a tough game next game Saturday against Ginebra. So every game counts. Every game counts. And I hope we can get to the 6 weeks right now.
Coach, coming to the game, siyempre usapan on the other side si Berkeley, Coach, facing yung don't turn na yung tapos yung Berkeley.
We had some idea how he plays. We tried to research some videos, the way he plays. Also the same with the report. So we knew they were scorers. We knew we had to make them work hard for their points. And that's the only thing you can do actually with these guys who can really score is just make them work for their points. That was our only objective. And the guys we assigned to those 2 guys really did their job. Guys guarding si Lido, Santi was there, Gabe started out on him, and then Jonard played well against him, defended him well, even Kaylan defended him well. Airfield, our guards, did a good job on him also. We knew he could score, but ang importante lang is we had to make him take tough shots. So I guess our guards did that also against Airfield.
Coach, I'm sure very early pa talaga sa season, but with the way you played tonight, yung potential ninyo, yung depth ninyo, maganda your chances facing yung mga tough teams, especially yung playing in Nebra and San Miguel Boys.
Yeah, I think this is a good lineup that we have. It's certainly an upgrade from our last lineup in the All Filipino, and sa All Filipino semis kami. So kung tama yung calculation namin ng upgrade ito at naka-semis kami from the last one and we have a good import, I think we can contend. I think we can give the strong teams a run for their money.
Coach, good evening. You already mentioned the positives with Lemeti and Thompson, but with both of them, they are going to state for you what you think they can both improve on as the games go on.
I think it's just familiarity. No? As I said, Kaylan was practically retired the last 2 years, so he's just getting back to his game. Felix Limete played in Sweden, played in the States, so he's not really familiar with the local style, but we know he can make the adjustment, and I think he already did, showed it today. I think upside, still great upside for the both of them, so I feel pretty positive about our chances this conference.
Meron between the team, also taking that out of the tournament. How big was that? Being familiar with the 13 years since being here.
It was good for us. We took that very seriously. Came in, we wanted to win it, and we went there and completed our goal. And we took a game afterwards, which we took very, very seriously, and so it just carried over to this first game. So, like I said, we just want to keep it going. We got a tough game Saturday, but it was good to start off with the win. So we're gonna learn from this and just move forward.
That ends our podium press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations,
Thank
gentlemen.
you.
Thank you.
Salamat.